Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Philly in Whiteout Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Philly is a Generation 2 mythic hero, part of the Nancer class, and she's best known as a powerful support and healer. She can heal your entire squad, keep the weakest hero alive, and even disable enemies while dealing damage. So she is definitely worth aiming for in the game. Now, how do you actually get her? So first, your state needs to reach Generation 2. Philly only becomes available once your server advances to that stage. After that, there are a few main ways to collect her shards. Number one is the King of Iceland event. So we need to go to events and then look for the King of Icefield event. Sorry, competing well in this event is one of the main ways players unlock Philly. Now, number two is the Hall of Heroes or Hall of Chiefs events. So once your state is in the right generation, these events often include Philly shards as rewards. Now, the third way, check your daily deals in the shop. Sometimes Philly shards pop up there for purchase. Fourth way to get her is major events like State of Power. Keep an eye out because Philly shards are often included as ranking or milestone events. And now the last way to get her is starting in Generation 4. The Heroes Mission event is another way you can grab her shards. So to sum it up, wait for your state to reach Generation 2, then focus on events like King of Icefield, Hall of Heroes, and State of Power while checking your daily deals as well. Stick with it, collect shards, and you'll unlock Philly for your lineup.